Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can create the Facebook chatbot on your account. So let's get started. Simply log into your BotPenguin account. Once you are logged in, click on create your chatbot. Choose the platform as Facebook. Choose the purpose why you want to create the chatbot. After that, the flow will be automatically be made as per the use case. In case if you want to edit this, you can edit this or you can customize any of the message as per your choice. Once you are done setting up all this, just click on connect Facebook. It will give you a login screen. You simply have to click on login and you will be redirected to another page of Facebook. Over here, you simply have to continue, and it is saying continue. I will be saying and you can see whatever page was there on my Facebook page, it has been connected now. So this is how the Facebook bot will be created, and this is how you will connect it. Thank you so much for watching this video. In case if you have any doubt, please reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin. Have a good day.